welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. The title of the song is LEXI by Nik Makino. Alright, it's a Filipino rap R&B music. Let's start. Alright, start from the beginning. So from here you're gonna open your legs. So you're gonna go front, right, and left. It goes like 1, 2, 3, and punch. While doing this one, you're gonna bend back, lean back. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 5, close on 6, back 7, and 8. Alright? You can do anything about your hand. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and one more time. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop. Next. Good job. Next. Forward. 1, down on 2, 3, open. 5, 6. Alright? One more time. From here, 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, close on 7 and 8. Got it? One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Let's try first 8 to second 8 from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, punch. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. Next. We're gonna go back. Call 1, 2, 3, and close. You got it? Step your right, punch, step your left, punch back, then go 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 7, 8. Alright, let's try. From here. 6, 7, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 2 8s. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7. Step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, shoulder down, side, cross down, 7 and 8. Let's combine from the beginning. Here we go. On 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next. 7, 8. You're gonna go open. 1, 2, hold, kick on 3, 4, front. 5, 6, step back. 7 and 8. Alright, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, front, back, back. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, run. 5, 6, 7. Then glide. 8, 1, 2. Stay on 2. Alright? One more time. You're gonna go 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, front. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Alright, next. From here. 7. 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, away. 3, 4. Just suppose 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7 and 8. You can do anything. Literally anything. You can just like this. Up to you. Alright. So from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Alright? Next, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 5, 6. Stay on 7, 8. Then glide to your right. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's it. Let's try one more time. From here. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, go reach on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down on 7, 8, glide. Very good. Let's try from the beginning. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Can you talk? They're so quiet. Alright, 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back. Call 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, hit 4, front 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, run 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, step and 5, 6, bounce 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Glide. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like the simple choreography that we made today. If you like this kind of content on my video, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Alright, give love to this wonderful girl on my back. Except me. Alright, thank you so much and God bless you all. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.